Ever feel like you're stuck in a rut, like the world's lost its magic? Let me take you on a journey tonight, a journey to the most incredible, surreal places on this planet. Together we'll explore wonders that will make you question if you're still on Earth. Imagine mountains shimmering like rainbows, lakes filled with gentle jellyfish, and waterfalls that defy gravity. Picture yourself kayaking through a sea of sparkling blue lights. In the Maldives, millions of bioluminescent plankton turn the ocean into a living, breathing galaxy. As the sun sets on Vadhu Island, the beach transforms into a glowing wonderland, nature's light show that leaves you in awe. From glowing caves to radiant oceans, the world redefines magic every night. In Peru, there's a mountain like no other. Rainbow Mountain, with its reds, oranges and yellows, looks like it's been painted by an artist's hand. Some say it holds the spirits of the Andes, and standing before it, you might just believe the legends. And then there's the door to hell, a fiery crater that's been burning for decades, a mesmerizing reminder of the Earth's immense power. Or Angel Falls, where water tumbles from a height so dizzying it disappears into the mist before touching the ground, a breathtaking cascade of wonder. Imagine standing on a black sand beach in Iceland, where chunks of ice sparkle like diamonds scattered by the waves. A stark, otherworldly contrast of fire and ice, created by the forces of nature. If you're up for a challenge, the Stairway to Heaven in Hawaii awaits. A trail leading to vistas beyond imagination, rewarding every step with beauty. Or Lençóis Maranhenses, a desert where white dunes cradle crystal-clear lagoons, a living mirage made real. There's so much more. The Eye of the Sahara, a mysterious bullseye visible from space. Nusa Penida, with hidden beaches and vibrant waters. And Kelimutu's crater lakes, shifting colours as if by magic. The world has treasures that are timeless, like Lake Baikal, the oldest and deepest lake on Earth, or the towering Tianzi Mountains that look like the home of legends. From the lush Amazon to the soft jellyfish of Palau, every corner of the planet offers a story waiting to be discovered. As the night stretches on, let the thought of these wonders lull you into a peaceful sleep. Remember, the Earth is a book full of magic, and every adventure is a new chapter. Until next time, dream of the incredible and wake with the curiosity to explore. Let me know if this works for you, and I'll generate the audio.